Good afternoon, everybody. Family and Steve here once again. It is December the 29th, 2024. I'm going to be getting a few more videos put up before the year closes. Today, I'm going to be doing a video of a fan that I picked up several months back. I do believe this is a 9-inch. It's a mini desk fan that I found when I was helping somebody clean out a house here a while back. It's practically been sitting ever since I found it, so I figured that I would go ahead and do a little something with it. I'm going to be using these for the first time with my little project here. This is the toolbox that I got for Christmas, and I thought about doing it with the power drill that I got. I even tested it before the video, and definitely would not be something effective for this, so I'm just going to use these instead. This is mounted together with these 4 tiny Phillips head screws and these bolts. Debating on whether I'll reuse the screws or not, or if I'll just use twist ties. Not that this will be in an excessive use. I'll probably will just be using this with maybe here in the studio, or just I'll find something to do with it. Okay, so now I have the fan disassembled finally. Blade is just mounted on with this screw here. There's some kind of mechanism in here. It's magnetic. I can't think the name of it, but it's definitely not driven with regular bearings. Somebody could put into the comment box of what that is. How it just comes to a stop like that. It is a little dusty, possibly from just sitting around in that old house. Okay, so there's the blade. That's definitely aluminum. Don't have many. Actually, this is probably the only one that I've ever had. I've never been a big collector of these mini fans like this. They really did a excessive job building this thing. These fans are usually just, they're done with rivets. Okay, so there is a look at the inside. Maybe you can see that little circuit board in there. I don't know if you can see the inside of the motor, but it's definitely, trying to make out what it is, but it's definitely not a shaded pull motor. It's not a PSC either, at least I don't think. So So what it is, I put the wrong screw in. Those last two put in. Okay, what gives? Let's see what this thing does without the blade on it. Let's go ahead and plug it in. Okay, maybe I got that right. It does move some air. I mean, it's okay. And anyway, it's clean now. Let's throw the guard back on it. performance is really not that bad, so to speak. And it's not great either, but well, it's finally been cleaned and it's running. This will be my very last fan repair of 2024. Well, there you have it, everybody. I hope that you all have enjoyed the cleaning video of this mini table fan. And until the next one, over and out, and Happy New Year to you.